Hello everyone, welcome to ZW3D training video series. Let's continue to dejoin. In the first video, we make a brief introduction about 2D join and also tell you how to create and edit the views. And in the second video, we show you how to add dimensions and annotations. And now, let's go to case study. So this is the case we're going to practice. Let's check the steps first. So firstly, we will open the practice part and then create a new sheet. Then we need to do the style setting from the style manager, or we can define it in the template. Actually, I already prepared the template. You just copy and specify the template. And then we create the front view first and then create the broken section for both ends, here and here. And then we create the full sections for both ends to show the slot details. And after that, we add this kind of dimensions and then annotations. And in the last step, we insert the isometric view, this view, and also the technical requirements. So let's the workflow. Okay, we can go to the software to practice. You can follow step by step. Now we are in the software. So the first thing we need to make sure all the styles has been set. So I already prepared the template file. You just copy to the corresponding location, then space set in the configuration. So as you can see from here, I'm using the one object per file mode and check the files. Here's the template file location. You just copy the template from our training material to this folder, and then you can also set the default sheet template with this custom template file. Okay, and this is the file we need to create the 2D join. So we just open this file and then go to the 2D sheet and use the default template. Okay, and put here, we select the front view and put here and finish. Then we can go to the broken section to create the broken section, the base view and okay, and depth mode. So you just check this option is not ticked. Okay, and another side, depth point. Okay, after this we create the full section. So just select this base and here vertical, and then we can switch the flip arrow. Okay, and also we can check the location. If we want to move it freely, we can use the none. So we can put here and another side. Okay, location, put here. And after that, we need to add dimension. As you can see from here, we need to dimension the size. So we just use the quick dimension like this one, the diameter, okay, and this diameter, and also this diameter, and also for the detail like this one, this shaft diameter, we can use this. For this slot, we can just run the dimension and this point to this point, so we can check. And this side, this point to this point, put here, and also this one, put here, and here this dimension, and this dimension. Put in the middle, and also this dimension, put here, and this dimension outside. So we have finished this dimension by the quick dimension, and then we need to insert the baseline, so we can use this very quickly. Put here, and then put here, and this one. Finish, and this side, put here, and another. Okay, we have finished. And then here there's a small dimension. We can just add by this, from this point to this point, and we can use this. And for the others, like this chamfer, we use the linear chamfer. So put here, and dimension, and this here, this place. Okay, finished. And for this hole, actually we cannot use the hole call out. As you can see from here, we can try. There's no hole. So we can use the label. But before that, to save time, I will copy the value from here. Okay, we just use the label and location, and then use this editor, copy and paste. Here you can insert this kind of symbol and input the value directly. Okay, finish. And after that, we need to insert some annotations. So like the datum feature, put here. And also the service finish. So as we can see, this is the value for this survey, this phase, and also another value for this one, and this one for this service, and also this one and this one. So add one more for this one and this one. Okay, we have finished all the annotations, and also add tolerance, the type. Okay, and we can also use the attribute and the painter from this one. So we have finished, and here we can just change to here. And for this surface finish, the direction is not correct, so we just double click to editor, change the direction. Okay, and for this place there's some crossing, so we just select this, make some modification, move. Okay, and also we can move this baseline group, and we can use the dimension alignment, so we can alignment this to this one with this one, okay, and also this one to be aligned with this one. So it has been finished. Okay, after this, maybe we need to insert the isometric part, right? So we just go to the layout and use the standard and select the isometric. And also we need to change the display mode to the shaded. So we can put here, but it looks a little bigger. So we can change the scale. This looks better. So just put here. Okay. And then we need to add the technical requirement. So to save time, I will copy from the original one. So here we just copy the test for the preparation. Okay, go back and in the drawing we can use the test, insert the technical requirement, and here there's editor, so you can input the test here or copy paste. Okay, you can find that this test is too small, so we can just use the attribute to make modification a little bigger, and also more. You can change the font. So I would like to use the Chinese one, like this one. Okay, and then click OK. We have finished the whole 2D drawing in 10 minutes. And you can follow the steps to make practice. So that's all for the case study. Okay, we just finished the case study. And in next video, we will show you about the 2D drawing for assembly. Thank you for watching.